Hello my lovely viewers, I'm back again with another video, and in this video I will talk about top 7 books that you should read if you are a hotelier. So without any delay, let's get started. Improving Sustainability in the Hospitality Industry, written by Frans Melisson and Lieke Saar. We all know over the past few years the hospitality industry is a lot more sustainable than it used to be. This book significantly addressed the link between operation, tactics and strategy for improving sustainability concept and business in hospitality industry. When you go through the book, you will find out that each chapter uses specific cases and example for improving industry process and concepts. So if you are looking to improve your hotel or restaurant sustainability concept, then this book have to be your pick. Be Our Guest, Perfecting the Art of Customer Service, written by the Disney Institute and Audrey Kinney. I totally understand this book doesn't belong to hospitality industry, but there is a one thing which is common between Disney and hospitality industry is that they both deals with customer service. Look, exceeding expectations rather than simplifying them is the cornerstone of the Disney approaches to customer service. This book is specialized in helping professionals to see new possibilities through the concepts you will not find in your typical workplace. Also, I would like to tell you that this book is recommended by the top CEOs and managers of the hospitality industry. So what I think and believe, I don't have to say much more about this book. Bill Marriott, Success is Never Final, written by Del Van Etta. Whether you trust me or not, but hands down to this book, it is my personal favorite book. As a reader, you will learn the fascinating details about the success and failure of a multi-billion-dollar venture, and what are the challenges you will face if you become a CEO of a company. Also, it tells about the heartbreaking loss of an adult whose body is slowly degenerating from the mitochondrial disease. Basically, this book is a biography of a Bill Marriott, which says success is never final. No matter how much millions and billions you have earned in your lifespan, but still you have to fight till your last breath. A Wealth of Insight, written by Rashim B. Kanami. This book, acclaimed as one of the best hotel management book by the leading hospitality schools. It already helped many directors, CEOs, managers and business professionals across industries who are eager to understand how world-class hospitality teams are built and empowered to success. If you are looking for the significant trends that are impacting the sector today and how those trends will shape the future of luxury hotels, then I want to see this book in your bookshelf. The Cornell School of Hotel Administration on Hospitality, written by Corgel, Jackby and many more. It is a must-read book for the students and professionals seeking to enter or expand their reach in the hospitality industry. It will help you in managing and developing your multinational career. It will help you in maximizing profit from the franchisee agreement and from the management contracts. It will help you in cost cutting, branding strategy and managing your operation across multiple locations. So in my opinion, this book will definitely help you to grow your career in the hospitality industry. The Professional Bar and Beverage Manager's Handbook by Douglas R. Brown. What I think, just delivering creative cocktails to your customer is not the key to success. You should have knowledge of bar operation, that how it works in and out. Literally, this book contains hundreds of innovative ways demonstrated to streamline your bar and beverage operation, which makes this book ideal for the professional in the hospitality field as well as for the newcomers. Berkew's Gastronomic, written by Paul Berkews. It is a one-shot book for the professional and aspiring chef. When you go through the book, you will find out that it covers 250 core techniques for preparing, cooking, and delivering high and delicious food to your customers. If I go with the number, then this book contains 721 pages, 1800 ultra clear photographs, 250 core techniques, and more than 70 classical and contemporary recipes designed by chefs. As I said earlier, it is a one-shot book for the professional and aspiring chefs. These are my top 7 book recommendations that you should read if you are a hotelier. Also, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, keep enhancing.